If you're running LinkedIn outreach, you probably know this problem. You send invites, wait for acceptance, then visit profile pages just to get their emails. While that takes time, creates extra LinkedIn activity, and limits how many leads you can process. In this video, I'll show you how Linked Helper data enrichment tool lets you get emails, phone numbers, profile information, and company data without visiting LinkedIn pages at all. Data enrichment is Linked Helper's internal data service. It allows you to enrich profiles with emails, personal or business, phone numbers, social links, profile information like their summary, education, skills, experience, and company data, website, description, industry, and more, using data enrichment or find profile email sections. When you use data enrichment, Linked Helper does not visit LinkedIn pages. Instead, it pulls data directly from the internal Linked Helper database. That means no profile views, no extra LinkedIn activity, and 100% safe usage from LinkedIn's perspective. Linked Helper data enrichment works with any connection level, first, second, or third. This can be especially useful when people don't accept your invites and you want to try reaching out to them via email. So you use the tool to get their emails, or you just need to enrich your CRM, to enrich your profile cards with data real fast. You can also get the emails of your first-degree connections real quick if you don't want to wait while Linked Helper goes from page to page on LinkedIn. Or email is just another important outreach channel for your strategy. Whatever the case, Linked Helper data enrichment is your choice. Data credits come with every license. Pro licenses include more credits, credits don't expire, and you can buy more anytime if needed. And now let's have a closer look at the action itself. Firstly, let's check the Options tab, because this is where you control both data type and credit usage. Here you can choose exactly what data you want to enrich. Email, you can choose any personal or business email. Credits are charged only if a valid email is found. Phone number, more expensive, 10 credits, but again, only charged if found. Social and messaging includes Twitter, websites, messengers, and credits are charged only if data from at least 2 socials is found. Profile info, summary, industry, experience, skills, languages, location, and more. Company data, company name, website, size, industry, location, description. You don't need to enable everything. Turn on only the data you actually need. That's how you control costs. You'll also see the data freshness date option. This lets you say, only fetch data that was updated after this date. If new data already exists in a profile card, it won't be overwritten, but credits are still charged if the search is successful. Once emails and other data is found, you can export profiles as a CSV file or send them directly to CRMs. Linked Helper supports 11 native CRM integrations, and you can also use Zapier, Make, or any other webhook to send data to almost any tool. This makes it easy to combine LinkedIn and email outreach, follow up with leads who ignored invites, or build outbound workflows outside LinkedIn. Visiting LinkedIn profiles and getting information from their pages still works, but it means high LinkedIn activity, limited access to second and third degree emails, and slower processing. Linked Helper data enrichment is ideal when you need speed, scale, and minimal LinkedIn footprint. If this video helped, like it, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Linked Helper tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.